The zoo. Where are Caitlin and Kelly? Ah, there you are.
Welcome to the zoo.
I have some deliveries for the animals. Will you help me?
Yes, I will help you.
Great, let's go. I can't really hear them. Wonder where... Lions!
Let's love sign. Lion. Lion. You sign. Lion. Good. Lion.
Why do some lions have a furry fur?
Those are the boy lions.
The boy lions have the big fur, and then the girl lions don't have any big fur.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. A delivery. Wait. A brush for the lion.
Lions don't use a brush, Joe. They use a tree.
A tree? I will use the brush. Hello, I'm looking for Christina.
I'm Christina.
I have a delivery for you.
I need new boots.
Yes, you do need new boots. Wait here.